It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 156. If f of x is equal to 1 minus 2x and h is a differentiable function of x, then which of the following is equal to the derivative of f of h2x? Okay, so let's differentiate with respect to x of this function right here. That is equal to, we have f function, right? So f prime, and leave this expression alone, times derivative of this. We have h function, so h prime, leave 2x alone, times chain rule, derivative of 2x, right? Times 2. Okay, so we have to find f prime of h of 2x. Here we have f of x. So what's f prime? F prime x is equal to negative 2, right? It's constant. This means for all values of x, f prime, the slope is always equal to negative 2, right? Then what is this value right here? For any value we have here, input, that's always, the slope is always equal to negative 2, right? So all of this value is negative 2. And we have h prime of 2x times 2, right? So if we look at answer choices, this is all h or h prime x in terms of h or h prime x, right? So if we simplify this, that's going to be negative 4 times h prime of 2x. So the answer has to be B.